In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Southwest Airlines password. If you've been locked out of your account or just can't remember your password, don't worry. The reset process is usually quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. First, open your web browser and search for the Southwest account login page. You can use any major browser, and searching directly is often the fastest way to find the correct login screen. Once the results appear, look carefully for the official Southwest Airlines website and click the correct link. It's always a good idea to make sure you're on the legitimate site before entering any account details. When the login page opens, look just below the login boxes for the link that says Forgot Password. Click that link to begin the password recovery process. This will take you to the account verification page where Southwest will ask for information to help identify your account. On that screen, enter the requested details such as your name, your email address, or your Rapid Rewards account number, depending on what the form asks for. Be sure to type everything carefully so the system can match the information to your account correctly. After that, click the button to continue to the security questions. Next, answer the security questions as accurately as possible, then click Submit. These questions are used to confirm that you are the rightful account owner, so take your time and make sure your answers match what you originally set up. If the email address you entered is associated with your account, you should receive an email with a password reset link shortly after submitting your information. If you don't see it right away, check your spam, junk, or promotions folder as well, since automated emails can sometimes end up there. Once the email arrives, open it and click the recovery link. That link will take you to the page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. A good tip is to avoid simple or repeated passwords and use something unique for this account. After entering your new password, click Update Password to save the change. After that, your password reset should be complete and you should be able to sign in again using your new password. That's all it takes to reset your Southwest Airlines password.